Let's keep burning those calories while we move and groove to old school funk. Keep your posture too, tummy in, chest lifted. We're gonna do a grapevine with a rock, ready, to the right, and rock it. Grapevine left, and rock it. Right again, and rock it. And left again. Now, 2 steps, front, step tap, and left, single step tap back. And do it again. Step tap right, step tap left, and step tap singles back. Now we're gonna add a scoop with the arm. Scoop and left, single step tap back. Scoop it right and left, and step tap back. Now we're gonna put it together with a grapevine, right, and rock it. Grapevine left, and rock it. Again, grapevine, and rock it. Grapevine left, rock it. Get ready for the scoop, and left, single step tap back. Scoop it out again, and left. Step, singles back. Now something new. Step and reach. And now big step and march it out. 3 big taps. Now big step and march it in place. Do it again. Step, step, reach. Big step and march it. Last time, step, reach, reach. Big step and march it. Starting with a grapevine again to the right. Rock it. And grapevine left. And rock it. Again, right. And rock it. Grapevine left. And rock it. Scoop it front. Step tap. Single step tap back. Scoop it front again. Woo! Single step tap back. Now big reach and big step, march. We're gonna do it again to the left. That's reach, 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 big step and march. New step, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, and walk it back and then take it out and in. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, walk it back, out and in. Now add the hips. Woo! Walk it back. Take it out and in. Hip. Whoa, 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 and walk it back. Out. Take it again from the top. Rock it out. Grapevine left. And rock it. Again. How are we doing? Keep that tummy in. Keep breathing. Scoop it front, step tap, and left, singles back, step tap. Again, scoop it out. Single step tap back. Now big reach with a foot. Get ready to step it out and march. 3 reaches. Big step and march. Now we're gonna do that hip thing forward and step, hip, step, hip, step, whoa, whoa. And walk it back and out and in, hip, 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 hip. And walk it back and out, step, hip, step, hip. Now walk it back and out and in, step, hip, step, hip. You keep your chest front and walk it back and out and in. Okay, march in place. Are we having fun yet? Woo! You feel okay? Good going. Now I'm gonna take you on a new step. We're gonna go to the right, step together, step, ready, and step together, step, left, step together, step. Now single step touch. Good going. Step together, step, now left, step together, step, step touch. Woo! And the arms. Guess who I'm paying homage to? My friend John Travolta, Saturday Night Fever. Pulp Fiction, remember this? Do it again. Woo! Oh yeah. Hup, hup. One more time. Pulp Fiction. Here we go. A new step. Cross back. 8 times we're going to do it. Keep breathing. Tummy in, chest lifted. Now, heels front. Good going. Stay with me now. Now, alternate knee lifts with elbows. Breathe. Tummy in. 8 more. Get ready to walk in front 4 times and tap. 1, 2, 3, and tap and back. Woo, again. And back. Again. That's good. And back. Take it from the top. Saturday Night Fever. Pulp Fiction. Saturday Night Fever. That's right. Hang in there with me now. Step across back. Good going. Get ready for heel across to the front. Keep breathing. Knee lifts, elbow to knee. Woo! Good going. Pull up tall. Walk front. 1, 2, 3, and tap and back. And front. And back to the top. Saturday Night Fever. Pulp Fiction. Again. And to the left. Saturday Night Fever. 4 times. Cross it back. Step cross. Oh, yeah. Feel good. Heel forward. Aye. Get ready for knee lifts. Elbow to knee. That's right. Pull up tall. Walk in front. 1, 2, 3, and tap. Back. Again. And back. From the top. Pulp Fiction. Woo! Here we go. Get ready to step cross back. Good. Very good. Get ready for the heel front. Heel press. That's right. One more now. Knee lifts. Woo! Keep breathing. Make sure you can carry on a conversation. Now 4 for front and back. Again and back. March in place. You did great. Good going. Good. We got another song now. Okay, now let's take all our funky moves and starting from the very top with the grapevine to the right and rock it. Remember this? Seems like ages ago. And rock it. Do it again. Grapevine. And rock it. Last time left. And rock it. Now scoop. Remember that? To the left. Step side. Back. Scoop again. Woo! Good. Now 3 taps. Tap. 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 Slide. March it out. Again, 3 wide taps. Big slide and march. Now we're going to do hip forward and walk. Hip, hip. Walk it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and out and in again. Step, hip, step, hip, step, hip. Woo! Walk it back. And out. Saturday Night Fever. Pulp Fiction. Hop, hop. Again. Keep breathing. Now step cross back. Good going. Heels forward. Tummy in, chest lifted. Keep breathing. Get ready for knee lifts with elbow. Good going. Whoop. Get ready for walking forward and back. Forward and back. From the top, grapevine. Rock it. Grapevine left and rock it. Grapevine. That's right. Last time, left and rock it. Get it ready to scoop. Walk it back, step, touch, scoop. That's right. Back. Now. Big slide. Slide. Step, hip, step, hip, step, hip. Walk back. Out and in. Step, hip, step, hip. Woo, back. Out and in. Saturday Night Fever. Pulp Fiction. Do it again. Pulp Fiction. 4 steps to the back. That's right. Keep it up. Heels forward. Good going. Now knee lifts with elbow. Woo. Now walk forward. Tap and back. Again, forward and back. March in place. Wow, good job. I hope you had fun. Now don't forget to do the cool down. It's really important. We're going to do some stretches and work on balance a little bit. See you next time.